How to use molasses in garden soil. Molasses has two benefits when added to the soil in your garden, according to the Sierra Vista Area Gardeners Club. It feeds the good bacteria that live in the garden soil, and it energizes plants to begin making more chlorophyll. You can add molasses to your garden soil by placing it in a homemade fertilizer. Blackstrap molasses is preferred in homemade fertilizer recipes because it has the most nutritional value for garden soil. Things you'll need: 5-gallon bucket, 4 gallons water, 1 cup Epsom salts, 1 cup alfalfa meal, 1 tablespoon blackstrap molasses, garden sprayer. Pour 4 gallons of water into a 5-gallon bucket. Add 1 cup of Epsom salts, 1 cup of alfalfa meal and 1 tablespoon of blackstrap molasses to the water in the bucket. Stir until completely combined. Set the homemade molasses fertilizer aside for 24 hours. Transfer the homemade molasses fertilizer to a garden sprayer, and spray across your garden soil until thoroughly wet. Do this on a day when rain is not expected, or the fertilizer will be diluted and rendered less effective. Tips. Warnings. Molasses can boost any homemade fertilizer. If you prefer a different fertilizer blend for your garden soil, just add 1 to 3 tablespoons of molasses to it. Spray over the soil as you normally would. Cola can be used in place of molasses when necessary.